Great Canadian Baking Show. Hi, I'm Carrie, and I'm here today to give you the top 5 facts about me as a person so you can feel super confident about casting me in the Great Canadian Baking Show, aside from all these amazing baked goods that are flying CGI style right across my head right now. Let's get started. Let's do this. Fact 1. I'm from Hamilton, a city known for amazing donuts, and I make the best Boston cream donut you have ever had in your entire life. Fact number 2. I'm married to an Andrew who said, Carrie, you're going to have to try harder if you're going to get on the show. Well, joke's on him. I barely tried to make this delicious cake you see right here. Fact number 3, I have 4 cats. I know what you're thinking. That's well within the legal limit, and they're all very happy with my baking. Thank you very much. Fact number 4, it's always been my dream to be a meme. And finally, the only fact about me that you will probably care about is fact number 5. I love to bake. I love baking breads and cakes and muffins and donuts and everything delicious. And that's why I think I would be a fantastic contestant on the Great Canadian Baking Show.